Welcome back to Everyday AI Made Simple. Grab your drink of choice and let's dive into today's topic.
Have you ever needed a professional graphic or video but found yourself stuck? Maybe you don't have a $1,000 camera, or you haven't spent years learning complex editing software. It can feel pretty isolating. Your role is changing into that of a director. Instead of building the sets or holding the camera yourself, you are making the high-level decisions from the director's chair. Modern AI generation tools function like a highly capable film crew. They are standing by on the soundstage right now, waiting for your instructions. The way you give those instructions is through prompting. Prompting is simply handing this crew a highly detailed script that describes exactly what you want to see on the screen. Creating professional imagery now depends on the clarity of your vision. As technical barriers fall away, the quality of your instructions determines the quality of your result. Before we start shooting, we need to hire the right crew members for the job. On a real movie set, for example, you would never ask the still photographer to shoot a complex stunt sequence. This side-by-side comparison shows exactly why tool selection matters. If you need a static image, especially one that requires perfectly legible text, structured layouts, or infographics, you want an image specialist. A precise tool like Google's Nano Banana Pro, an AI model available inside Gemini, excels at this exact layout work. But if you want high-end motion, sweeping cinematic camera movement, or smooth transitions, you absolutely need a motion picture unit. For that, you turn to video generation models like Veo, Sora, Runway, or Pika. These two domains do very different things. Image generation tools simply cannot create the passing of time or temporal motion. Conversely, video tools struggle to render crisp, precise typography that stays locked in place. Let's look at 3 times you'll call on your image tool. You would use it to build clean presentation slides, to design educational infographics, or to create static, swipeable carousels for social media. Now, you would call Action with your video tool for very different needs. You'd use it to generate seamless transitions for TikTok, to create cinematic B-roll footage, or to make dynamic, looping backgrounds. Correctly casting the underlying AI model right at the start prevents hours of frustration. Never force a tool to perform a job it simply wasn't built to do. This diagram shows the anatomical structure of a professional prompt: format, vibe, and details. Format defines the exact dimensions, like 16:9 widescreen. Vibe overrides the default aesthetic with stylistic keywords, like cinematic. Finally, details dictate specifics, like color palettes and lighting. Here is a structured image prompt in action. We asked the image tool for a vertical infographic about sleep hygiene. We specifically requested a minimalist, flat design style with a dark blue and soft purple color scheme and very clear iconography. The result is exactly what we requested. And here is a structured video prompt. We instructed the video tool to create a vertical shot of dark coffee being smoothly poured over ice. We specifically asked for slow motion, a close-up camera angle, and commercial quality lighting. AI outputs are highly sensitive to the specific words you choose. When your instructions are structured, the results become much more professional and predictable. Even with a great script, a director rarely uses the very first take. In AI generation, rapid iteration is a normal and necessary part of the workflow. Your first output is simply your starting point. Look at how a single text adjustment changes the entire atmosphere of a scene. By simply updating the prompt's time of day, we take a sweeping cinematic landscape from bright daylight straight into a moody, neon-lit night environment. We can summarize the process with 3 core principles. First, always cast the right tool for the medium before you write a single word. Second, be exhaustively specific with the format, vibe, and details in your initial prompt. Leave no room for the AI to guess what you want. Third, treat the interface like a film set. Comfortably call for it take 2 by asking the AI to tweak specific elements, adjust the lighting, or correct a detail. Visual creation is becoming a discipline of clear direction. If you can communicate your ideas effectively, you can produce professional media without needing a background in technical software.
Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss what comes next. And if you're ready to get serious about making AI your coworker, not just your chatbot, you can get free prompts and a 30-day AI confidence checklist, no sign-up required, at everydayaimadesimple.ai. That's where I'm building tools, guides, and resources to help you confidently use AI in your everyday life and work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.